Hey guys, it's Dave from BrainDex, and today I'll be showing you how to make your first trade. Head over to BrainDex Swap, select your network, then next to that connect wallet. Double check it's correct, and then below that choose the asset you would like to swap. Type in the amount, next the asset you would like to receive. Below this you'll see the route of the order, the fees, plus the minimum total you'll receive. Hit swap, and this will submit your transaction, and a few seconds later you'll see a success notification. That's all. Thanks for watching.